Hey everyone, Dan and Sarah here on the .com Homestead. We got some planters out here we're going to redo. It's from last year. They're not looking all that great. We'll go ahead and replant these. We'll put some mint. Not sure what we're all going to put in these yet, but just thought we'd show you what we're going to do today. Get our flower boxes all planted up. We should have flowers by here in about a month. All right, let's get started on this. Alrighty, now you can see we got the boxes all cleaned up, looking good. Got them all over the place. We got 4 planter boxes we're going to give a shot. So you're going to try some chives, some cilantro. Loving the lavender, smells real good. Oh, and peppermint. Definitely got to have peppermint. That's good in just ice water. Lots of ice cubes, good fresh water. Now we're just going to go ahead and plant these, get them all set up. Sarah's sitting over here. She's having a good old time. Alright guys, let's get these planted. Let's do it. Got a pack of seeds for each one of these. Let's see what happens. Okay, we've got them watered. They'll be okay. Nice and wet. Them to start. Dirt's a little dry. That's okay. Got a little soupy. I think we'll be okay, but now we just wait. That's all we can do. We got some lavender down here, chives in here, some cilantro, and then we got our mint down here, peppermint. It'll be just fine, so we'll go from there. Thought I'd show you some of our plants that we have going. Some good sized tomatoes coming up on here. They're not bad. Just none of them turned red yet. The smaller ones. Healthy sized plants. Some tomatoes down there. There's a couple in there that are coming up real nice. Mighty big ones. See if we can get down here in between the door here. That's a big one right there. That's a big one. I'm going to like that one. Got to wait for them to ripen up. Then we got our poblano peppers coming up. Got some good sized ones here. Not too bad. Those are about ready to pull. And the plant down here is doing real good. It looks like we got our butternut. That one's coming up real nice. That one's going to be good eating. There's a few of them in here. They are starting to come up real good. Not too bad at all. Got another little one down here. Coming up real nice. I think all in all. Good sized flowers. Really good sized flowers. Hopefully we'll get some more coming up. Alright guys. Hope you enjoyed this little gardening video. Y'all go enjoy your day. Have a good weekend. And we'll catch you on the next one. Bye now.